Hi everyone, Assalamualaikum and welcome to my YouTube channel Cryptoland. How are you all? I just wish all good at your side. As you know, we talk about new projects and new tokens and the website. So I have a new project today for you. They will be launching their own exchange and NFT marketplace, etc. So let's get to the website. Let's get to the project. But before that, please subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell. Thank you. Okay, so this is a website for today which I wanted to share with you all. It's SMD Coin, first integrated platform for staking, farming, and self-holding. So we can first of all find their smart contract on their website. You can have their smart contract from here. Okay, let's talk about exchange. Let me tell you one thing that SMD Coin will be launching their own exchange. I guess it will be launched in next week. Okay, let's move forward. So here we have how to buy SMD coin. You can easily purchase over there with USDT. We have paired SMD with USDT. We always encourage to buy SMD by only verified exchange. Okay, so SMD has been paired with USDT. You can easily swap USDT for SMD coin. And it's better to buy SMD coin from their official exchange, from their verified exchange. You have the list of the exchanges where they have already been listed, and it's better to buy from these exchanges like Hotbit. They have listed in Hotbit, Bitmart. You can buy it from Bitmart. You can buy it from Windex and other exchanges where they have been listed, and you can find it from their website. Let me tell you one more thing that they have already been listed in CoinGecko. You can find all the details. Here you have the market cap and the volume, etc. So they have been listed in CoinGecko and soon planning to get listed in CoinMarketCap. Okay, now let's come to the SMT press release. You have some screenshots of the announcement. They have shared the announcement of press release of SMT coins. You can find it here. You can check all the announcement, all the screenshots here of their press release. Okay, you can find SMD on all over the web. First of all, you can see it's available on Nomics. You can find it on Nomics. You can have all its details. You can have their chart here as well. And you can find SMD on BSC scan. You can see their transactions, their holders, and all details on BSC as well. If you talk about contract, you can get their contract from their website. Okay, so now let's talk about their blockchain. SMD is currently based on Binance Smart Chain, but soon they will add more chains and they will expand their network to more chains. They have introduced a set of risk control rules, and plus ensure you to provide maximum liquidity and maximum earning by increasing your capital use. So now let's talk what SMD is offering us. First of all, they're offering wealth management. SMD coins offer customers decentralized farming services and personalized financial solutions, as well as a variety of interest models and earning options. Earn the highest rewards in yield farming and maximizing your SMD reward. Okay, so SMD Coins is offering farming services and financial solutions as well as interest systems to get to earn more and more. Other than that, you can maximize your SMD reward. You can highest reward in yield farming. Okay, so the second feature they're providing is contract that are both secure and non-custodial. The safety of a smart contract is SMD coin top priority. You have safest platform and secure contract here. And if we talk about their priority, so their priority is their contract safety. Okay, now if you check the roadmap, you can see in March 2021, the ideology of project started and its implementation is started. Then in May, the token supply decided, BNB platform workout. June 2021, token creation completed and website's background work started. And in July 2021, swap and exchange listing on Pancake, Windex, and Hot. And in August, they have been listed in Bitmart and CoinGecko. So in September, they will be doing utilization of their token for multiple users. And in December, they will launch their own exchange. So by February, users will be able to stake the coins. Users will be able to stake their coin on their own exchange. And then in March, they will be launching NFT marketplace. Okay, so now we have their official documents. You can find their official documents on their website, like their white paper and their smart contract review. You can download this and you can read this online as well. So you have their official documents here. You can go through it. All right, so here we can read our community grows stronger every day. Please follow our social platforms to get the most up to date, accurate SMD coin information. Using the links below, you can use our various groups alongside the 1 million plus other members of the SMD coin. So you can join their social channels, you can be the member of their community to get all the updates about their project. You have links to their social channels, you have link to their Telegram community group, Twitter account, and Instagram. You can follow them and stay updated. Okay, so this was our website for today. Let me tell you once again that they will be launching their own exchange in next week. So you will be able to find SMT coin on exchange in next week. And to get updated about their exchange system, or to get more updates about their information, to get in touch with them, you must follow them on their social channels. You must join their Telegram community. I'll provide all the required links in the description, like the website link, BSC scan, the social channel links. So it will be easy for you to access the website and then do your own research, check the website, check out their project, and then invest in it. I hope you like the video, you like the website. Do check out their project and you will definitely like the project. It has a huge potential, and if you see potential in it, do invest in it. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe to my channel, like the video, and press the notification bell. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.